Okay, let's tell you the story. Just like our customers, I have a free Google Drive, Dropbox or S3 account. And I have a lot of files in my Google Drive, Dropbox or S3 account that can be used as products, sold as products, and generate recurring income. Technology was the problem in the past. Members or membership site creator softwares are complex and incomplete. We solved that problem using Tribe Engine. Now Tribe Engine will take your free files in your free Google Drive, Dropbox or S3 and turn them into recurring income generating products. So let me show you step by step. When you first log in, first connect your Google Drive or Dropbox or Amazon S3 using this file hosting section. I have already connected my Google Drive account. You can add yours using this. You can add multiple accounts. Then connect your autoresponder or autoresponders using this section. Now import these files into the system in just one click. For this, just go to the product section and import products and select the server and select the account, and from there you can select the folder where you uploaded the files and then select the files as one product or multiple product, your choice. Then click import and they will be imported just like this. Now the products are ready. You can do a lot of things with them. Just click here to edit. You can add content, you can upload more products, you can add webhook, email, auto drip feeds, drip content, and you can decide when the drip content will be delivered. You can import drip feed content using this section and Google Drive or Dropbox or Amazon S3, or you can add drip content manually and decide when they will be delivered after the previous one. By the way, you can add any product anytime. When you want to start selling, go to the funnel and create a new funnel. It's simple. Add a funnel name, funnel tagline, and job is done. Now you go click here, edit the funnel. You can click the product and you can add product simply by selecting the products. Okay, just click here and the product list will show up. You can select the number of products. Now you can use it as a bonus or you can use sales pages. Okay, don't worry, you can create sales page elsewhere, or we have a system to create sales page here inside. Finally, when you added the products and the contents and the extra contents or whatever you want in the system, this is how the members area looks like. They can go to one product and in the product they can watch their content, you can download, they can do whatever they want. But for that you need to sell, so you need payment processor. It's very simple. Go to payment gateways and you can add payment gateway, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Warrior Forum, Pay, Kickstart, PayPal, Thrivecard, Stripe. Let's add Warrior Plus. For that you need the product ID. So go to Warrior Plus product, take this ID, copy from here and paste it here, and then select the products to be delivered with this product on Warrior Plus. And then when you save it at the payment, then a unique IPN key will be generated that you should copy here and go to this section, integration, paste in the notification URL section. This way, whenever customers purchase, they will get an email like this, and in the email they will get access to their members area. This is how simple it is to turn your files on Google Drive, Dropbox, and Amazon S3 into your recurring income generating membership site. Thank you.